want to talk about, we have talked about rounding off of no numbers to significant figures. Let's talk about rounding of these numbers to decimal places. Now we have 1 decimal places, 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places, and 4 decimal places. So I will touch these decimal places. Now I have a number like 62.11632. We have 1246.1133. We have 6231444. So let me put the point here. These 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. We are going to look into how we can give it 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. We can put it in 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. Now remember, we need to count the decimal places. There is something we call 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place is 1 number after the decimal. 2 decimal places means 2 numbers after the decimal. 3 decimal places, 3 numbers after the decimal. 4 decimal places, 4 numbers after the decimal. Are we following? Okay. I remember standard form, most likely related. But let's look. Okay, so we have 62.11632. Now let's put it in. Let's start with 4 decimal places. 4 GP, give me, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you following? So expected to have 62.1, isn't it? But we are not sure. Let's be sure if we have 62.1. Now this number is not up to 5, so we call it 0. This number is not up to 5, so we call it 0. This number is up to 5, so we call it what? 10. So write 0 and carry on to the next number, making this one 2. Now this number is not up to 5, so we will call it what? 0. So we have 62.1. This one is 1 decimal places. Now for 2 decimal, rather 1 decimal places. For 2 decimal places, we have 1, 2. Now 2 decimal places are expected to give me 62.11. Let's check if it's going to give me 62.11 or not. Now this is not to 5, so it's going to give me 0. It's not to 5, we put it to 0. This one is more than 5, so make it 10. So I have 0, we carry 1 to this class, making this one 2. Are you following? Now automatically this one here turns to 2. 2 decimal places. 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. Now we count 1, 2, 3. So I have 62.116. Let us be sure if we will get 116 or lesser or higher. Now we approximate. Okay, so I have 0 here because it's not to 5. It's not to 5, but this is up to 5. So we leave it. Since this one is not to 5, there is no one coming here, and this is our 3 decimal places. Are you following? So we have 62.116. For 4 decimal places, now it may have 0, 0, but 0 is nothing. There is no need of adding this. That's why I don't like adding it. 0 is nothing. So we have 4 decimal places, which will give me, okay, let's 62.1163. Let's check if we are wrong or we have something related to. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places, right? Now the left number is here. We approximate it. Now it's not to 5, so we talk is 0. So this number is just what is left, 1163. All right. So this is it for the whole decimal places for number 1. Now let's check number 2 question. So we want to solve number 2 question. We will get it in 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. So for 1 decimal places, we have it to be, for number 2, we have it to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to be 1246.1. Let's be sure if we are correct. Or is it 1246.2? Let's be sure. It's not up to 5, so we write 0. It's not up to 50. It's not up to 50. We also have our 1. So this is correct. The 2 decimal places is 1246.11. 3 decimal places 1246.113. 4 decimal places is the number. So this number is in 4 dp. Okay. So for the last one, for this one, let's check it in 1 dp. Alright, 1 dp says you have 623.1. That's correct. Now 2 dp 623.14. You check all these numbers, they are not up to 5, so all of them are giving me 0, 0, 0 and all 0. So anything here is going to be the same way. Once it's moving, all of them is in 4 decimal places, but if it's in 3 decimal places, this one will be 0, 2 decimal places 0, 1 decimal places 0, because they are not up to 5. Hope you are following. It is an experimental class. It's something that you have already understood. What we did in whole numbers is almost the same thing we do in our decimal places. So that is it in rounding off of numbers in decimal places. Now let us go to estimation, where we have a lot of work to do. Estimation is where we calculate, and as we are calculating, we are approximating. It's just like we want to calculate the number of words that is going to accommodate in a page, and how many lines that are found in the page. So all these things are going to approximate to get a concise, let me say a precise number. So let us go to estimation. Let us see what happens there.